A program like Ijobs did not exist when I first started graduate school, and I really wish that it had, because it definitely would have given me a lot more perspective in terms of what I could do after I finished the PhD program.
And something that grad students starting off don't know is that to land an academic position the chances are 1 in 5. And for me, I really didn't want an academic position.
The goal of Ijobs is to facilitate early career discovery outside of the academic pathway. Really engages all students in graduate school to start to think about those career discussions in the number of different careers that biomedical scientists can do.
The participants of the Ijobs program are biomedical scientists or biomedical students all over the Rutgers campus, as well as local universities such as Princeton, my alma mater, Rowan University, Stevens, and NJIT.
So Ijobs has 4 phases. The phase 1 is to expose students and postdocs to the career choices they may have after their graduation.
I went to so many career panels, a number of the site visits that they had, and the chosen track that I took part in was intellectual property. I have a very strong interest in that, and so during the second phase, actually, I was able to shadow at one of the law firms that partners with the Ijobs program.
I really got a sense of how important networking is. I did my PhD in cell and developmental biology. The Ijobs program has a workshop called Sci-PhD.
The Sci-PhD program was a wonderful experience to expose scientists to the business of science and try to show them that even though they may not have the exact list of skills that are on particular resumes that people are asking for, that you really do have those skills.
The phase 2 of Ijobs is to prepare students for their career choice.
The best part of the externship was me being able to shadow a medical science liaison out in the field and to get insights from them in terms of how they're seeing patients and how they're prescribing the medications that the companies have developed, and also educating them on some of the current development that are happening within the company.
Companies really want to get to know the people that they're hiring more than they used to. And I think that the shadowing experience offers the company a great way to start to interview people that they would potentially hire.
Phase 3 is to prepare students for their job application.
And actually getting ready for the job market.
Whether it's preparing your resume, interview skills, and that could be for a job itself or for internships that students might apply for.
So when I started working at Stryker, as a result of the Ijobs program, I really felt that I could, put my best foot forward and be able to, just hit the ground running when I got there.
I think Ijobs represents a one-stop shopping for the biopharma industry in New Jersey, in that there are these candidates who are highly qualified scientifically, and they've been trained on some of the skills that industry requires. And so for them, the companies would just need to come to Ijobs and tell them, we're looking for these kinds of candidates who have this kind of expertise in these kinds of roles. And Ijobs would be able to provide those kinds of candidates. After I graduate and I'm in industry, hopefully, I'd really like to come back and be a mentor for the students and really show them what I know and what I wish I'd known being in their shoes when they're graduate students.